Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow apps to access microphone on Mac. So many apps needed microphone access for voice calls, voice recordings, online meetings and speech inputs. Instead of automatically giving every app permission, macOS lets you choose exactly which app can use your microphone. This gives you a better privacy while ensuring trusted app can capture audio whenever you need them to. So if you'd like to allow microphone access for an app, first click on the Apple logo and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to privacy and security. Here in the right side pane, scroll a bit and then go to microphone. Now here you can see the list of applications that ask for your microphone access. If you would like to turn on the toggle right to the app that you want them to access your microphone, and if prompted, authenticate using Touch ID or your Mac passcode. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.